In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Asana, and we're going to cover it all in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Login. Click on that, and you'll be presented with different login options. For convenience, select Continue with Google, which will prompt you to choose your Google account. This is a straightforward way to access your Asana workspace using your existing Google details. Now that we've logged in, it's time to move to the next step, which involves navigating to your project within Asana. This is the project where you want the form to be associated or attached. Ensure you're in the correct project workspace, as this is where we'll be customizing and adding your new form. With your project open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find the Customize button. Clicking on this opens up a host of options that allow you to personalize and enhance your project settings. These customization settings are pivotal as they enable you to integrate various tools into your project, including forms. Once you've accessed the customization settings, look for the Forms section. It should be easy to spot. Click on Forms, and you'll see options that pertain specifically to creating and managing forms. This feature is designed to help streamline how you gather information, tasks, or feedback directly from your team or external contributors. Next, you'll see the Add button. Click on that to start building your new form. This setup process is quite intuitive. You'll be presented with options to add various elements to your form. This could include fields for specific information, headers for organizational purposes, and more, depending on your project needs. Each element you add is a piece of your information gathering puzzle, so think carefully about what data you need to capture through this form. As you add elements, consider your audience, whether it's your team or external users. What fields are necessary for them to fill out, and what information will be most useful for project progress. You have the potential to create a form that is not only functional, but also beautifully suits the workflow of your project. Take a moment to review the form before finalizing it. Once you're satisfied with the configuration and content of your form, it's time to make it official. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find the button labeled Publish. Clicking on this means your form is now live and linked to your project. It's ready to be shared and used according to your needs, whether internally or externally. Congratulations, you've successfully created a form in Asana, enhancing your project's workflow and your team's productivity.